this is how you can copy and paste a person in iPhone photos. Let's get into it. At first, we need to use some sort of photo editor, and the built-in one from Apple is just not good enough. So we're going to open up the App Store and find the one called Hypic. It is free to download, so you can go ahead and install it. And this app is pretty powerful when it comes to editing your photos. So the way that you're going to do this is that you open up the app once it's downloaded, and then you ensure that the app has access to your photos and videos, all the stuff. And I mean, it doesn't have to like give you notifications or anything, but when you start editing, you essentially want to click on the photos and bring in the picture where the person is that you want to copy and paste. So you're going to look it up, and let's say it's going to be this one right here. That's fine. And once it's imported, you can perform different changes. But at the bottom, I want you to scroll through this options and click on stickers. Then tap on import image. And I want you to import the very same picture again on the top of it. And now what we're going to do is that we're going to use either the automatic selection or the quick selection tool to essentially just select the person on that image in order to make sure that we just can copy and paste the very same thing on top of it. So once we're done, we can tap on the check icon, and now you have the duplicate version of that person or whatever you cut out on the original image. So once you're happy with it, obviously you can organize it or rotate it, do whatever you need. But once you're happy, you can click on the download icon and the photo will be shared in your gallery. So that's it for me. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe for more tutorials in the future. I'm gonna catch you in the next one.